try not to worry a lot, you know what I'm saying? Try not to worry in life. Good morning, guys! I am going to Starbucks once more to read this very interesting book. What the book is, it's a secret. I might tell you later. Yeah, so we're eating outside. So I did not have breakfast today, even though it's like 2 p.m. No, I'm lying, it's more like 1. So I got a spicy chorizo, a cake pop, pirate flavor, that's what it's called, it's a pirate strawberry acai refresher. So basically all the best stuff, you know. I don't drink coffee really, so I go to Starbucks to get stuff like this. And the book that I'm reading is an entire collection of Sherlock Holmes novels. So I always wanted to read Sherlock Holmes, and I read a few like books. I've never read the entire thing, and I love the Sherlock Holmes novels. I love the movies with Robert Downey Jr. and I love the new Sherlock. So it made sense to read the original, all of the books. I'd know how it all started and to better understand the series. Oh my god, the sun is out. So here in California, we're not used to not seeing the sun for more than like 2 hours. And so whenever there's like a day or 2 or 3 gloomy, then we're like the solar, a solar house, you know, we start to lose energy. Every time I travel somewhere and the sun doesn't come out for like a week, I like feel all down. Anyway, I'm gonna do my thing, eat some breakfast, read some books, and then I'll talk to you guys later. Beach days.
Hey baby, what's that sound? I make a few stops and I'm falling the ground. It's a long shot, but darling, couldn't love you more.
This path goes right through the Millionaire Homes. So we have to make sure that we stick on this very carefully defined path through the development. You might wonder, why did they do that? Well, that was part of the agreement between the developer and the city, that they would provide these public paths cutting through the neighborhood. And usually there is a security guard around here that makes sure that you don't stray from the path. So a couple of years ago, actually like a year ago, there was a legal battle between the surfers and the developer, because the developer would close the path after sundown, and the surfers said, screw that, you know, we want to get down to the beach through the development at any time of the day. Even though there are some paths that are open 24/7, this particular path was closed, and they won the case. So now you can come through here at any point of the day. Here is the little clubhouse and the new clubhouse that they're building. Will I ever own a home here? I'd like to dream so. But nonetheless, the view and the beach is for everybody. So poor or rich, doesn't matter. And that's the most important thing.